Hi today. Our next form is to. In last we have discussed about issue a book, and now next is return a book. So for that, create a form. Return book. Name of return book. Return book. Okay. Now just design it. What we needed on this form. We need a group box, two buttons. First we check it, and then what we need next. Not label. How many label we one, two, three, four, yeah, five. Five label we needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we just group box, and that's text boxes. Okay, we need text box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we have to set it. Okay, now just change that name. Return. Now give the name to the label. Member only. The next is book. The next is return date. Yeah, date. Okay, and the next is date elapse. Is what is the elapse? Day, days, diff. Okay, this is the most suitable. And the next is last is fine. Okay, this is the fine. Now we give the name of the text boxes to give the name to the text boxes. So first is ID. Okay. Second is book. Third is sorry. Third is audit. The next is book. The next is return date. Yeah. Date. Okay, and the next is date elapse. Is what is the elapse? Day, days, diff. Okay, this is the most suitable. And the next is last is fine. Okay, this is the fine. Now we give the name of the text boxes to give the name to the text boxes. So first is ID. Okay. Second is book. Third is sorry. Third is audit. Just check it whether I hear. Third is audit. Date. Return date. Fourth is diff. Diff. Okay, that is fine. Fine, and now give a name to these button. Change the text of the button. This is save. Sorry, I just okay. This is cancel. Okay, now done. This is all done. So here I will just You can change design according, but now the main concern is to show how it works. So in this form, we just what we have to do, and we enter the id, and then we enter the id, and then according to that id the full information is shown, and the information is from where this whole is getting the information, this get from the issue book table. So let's do for this. We just go and go to the click event and go to key press. uh, okay, so key press while we entering the enter the id, and after pressing enter, and it show the related data which is related to the that particular id. If we enter 2, it show the all data related to 2. Okay, so let's go to e dot key char. 13 is for the enter key. Okay, so for now what we have to do, we just create a SQL connection, and first of all what we have to, we import what we will create a connection of database. So I just copy from my previous, because I'm gonna use it there also. So I just copy and paste it here. So now for this there is error. I just import the library which is related to the database, and that is this system.data.sql client, and here the errors are gone. So here I just create now what is SQL is equal to, we are selecting. Okay, select what we have to select, see, we select the name, return date, and this and this. Okay, what we have to select, we select these. So one by one just I write it. Date. For that we just go back, is date, and for this we have dd get, from where we getting it, from return date. So copy it, double copy v, and what we next get date, current date is get date. Okay, and this is going to close as elapse, yeah, day difference you may write. Okay, so and for from where we have to, from issue book table is issue, here issue book. I'll just check, second check, yes, right, issue book, from issue book. Okay, now what we have to create a connection, cmd equal to sql, sorry, new sql command, sql connection, and then what we, हम कनेक्शन ओपन करेंगे, कौन डॉट ओपन. नेक्स्ट हमें क्या करना होगा, when we open the connection, and so what we have to do next, we pass is to a str the os execute cmd dot execute reader करके. तो अब है नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है कि हम चेक करेंगे if str डॉट, तो क्या हो, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाए, हमने वन बाय वन उन टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस को वैल्यूज़ देना. तो हम डिज़ाइन में देखेंगे कि हमारे पास क्या है, कि जब हम आईडी एंटर करें तो बुक के टेक्स्ट बॉक्स इस बुक उस टेबल से इसमें आ जाए, इसमें आ जाए और इसमें आ जाए. सो गो फॉर दैट. तो हमारे पास क्या है, टेक्स्ट बुक डॉट टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू str, and then we give the name of the column which is in our issue book, and that is book. Okay, dot to string, and this is, and now next for text, what we have to textbook, and we just check not is return date. So next what we have, return date, text. Okay, text return date, टेक्स्ट डिफ आ जा रहा है और डेट्स में से हमारे पास दिस डॉट टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू str and go for the here what is the name of okay I will just grade 2 because sometime minor error become a huge so dot toString and okay, so this is that. Now what we have to next what we want to show we show these two and now this is calculated values. So for this what we have to do, we just simply what we have to do is simply pass is int because we use it left equal to int because it is a string, so we parse it that string to elect what we have elect elect. Okay, so where we get this elect, I just showed. Okay, this. Now what we have to next what we do is to check sorry here to check if the elab is equal to 0 then what is to be done. So is this is equal to 0, so what to be done. Okay, and then next if elect equal to 0 then what we have to done is what we have to do because 0 what we have to do just तो हमारे पास क्या है, हमारे पास फाइन क्या होगा इंट फाइन इक्वल टू हमारे पास आ जाएगा ई लेफ्ट ऐसे ही है ना यस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय कोई भी वैल्यू रख लो 200 1 डे का आपका हो या सब आप तो क्या करना है टेक्स्ट जो ये आ जाएगा टेक्स्ट फाइन आ जाएगा इक्वल टू हमारे पास जो है वो टेक्स्ट फाइन डॉट टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू हो जाएगा हमारे पास फाइन हाँ फाइन डॉट टू स्ट्रिंग ये आ जाएगा। ठीक है, सो यहाँ तक तो ये हो गया हमारे। अगर ये हो गया, अब नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है कि अगर ना हो तो क्या हो, देन व्हाट हैपन। तो एल्स पार्ट हमारा है, तो देन वी जस्ट गो देयर एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, and this is not sorry greater left is greater than 0 then okay, next else what we have is text difference dot text equal to 0 okay, and text text what we have text find dot text अगर इट्स इक्वल टू 0 मतलब ग्रेटर देन नॉट 0, सो देन द डिफरेंस एंड द फाइन इज 0, मतलब जिस डेट पे बुक ली रिटर्न करनी थी उसी डेट पे बुक रिटर्न कर दी, तो डिफरेंस एंड फाइन विल बी 0. सो फॉर दिस वी राइट इन आर एल्स पार्ट. Okay, I hope it working. Let's check. Close the connection. We open and then close the connection. Okay, now run it. Okay, return. Oh, 1 minute. Go there. Where is the main and double click. So what is the name of this is return book. So return book, we create object of rt name and new return book. So and then this dot hide and ret dot sh show. Okay, now it working perfectly. Now we click on return, it's come. Okay, I just enter 1 and it I hope okay it's giving some error. So date difference is not recognized. Okay, we right date e. Sorry. So okay, now run it again. Just uh, 1 minute. I'll just go back because I'll just set the form into the center. Center. Start with the center screen. Now I run it. Okay. Return book. Yes. I just entered. Hopefully it working. Yes, it's working. Yes, it's working. Good. Yeah. The book is returned within the time period. So today is 13, and I gave the time to the 19, so it's before the time, so the day difference is 0 and the fine is also 0. Okay, this is all how to manage a book while we are returning into the database. I hope you understand. If you have any query related to this, please comment and like my video and subscribe my channel.